This time, what is it? What is our teaching? This time is the suffering, right? About the suffering, all contaminated, all the negative, the emotions or pain, right? This contaminated suffering. So suffering, it's really good to practice this giving and taking a little bit. I wanted you to two different practice and meditate in this session, okay? The first of all, I want you to give you a practice that you really can really help when you are unhappy or suffering from emotions. Even if you practice meditation, you will have emotional pain and suffering, right? And a lot of things from your um, past, you know. And this life arise that will be difficult to face, you know. So what you need is the Kardamba masters, they call it this meditation, transforming both happiness and suffering into the path. Chidduk, chidduk lamchir again. Chid means happiness, duk is suffering, lamchir means carry on to path. What does that mean? That means visualize, first of all, most are, you know, as you're Buddhist, so you visualize your spiritual being, your enlightened being, Buddha or whatever, in front of you. So you have to pray to sort of whichever enlightened beings inspires you the most. Very important. Which is why you do this, which is represent your enlightenment, your liberation, your protection, your refuge, and your Buddha nature. Innerly, secretly, this is your Buddha nature. Outwardly, this is your the protector, refuge. And then this is represent your enlightenment. So you have to visualize that. And then open your heart and imagine kind of very beautiful rays of light from your this spiritual enlightened being. And this light represent your spiritual being's love and compassion and, wisdom. Then the light dissolve into your heart and transform all your negative, these feelings and emotions into relaxation and peacefulness. Then you just relax there, right? You visualize this and then dissolve into you, and then this makes you very relaxed. And you relax just there. And then again, also you can think about whoever you know that is suffering, difficult situation. You can also think about all that suffering and in this world. Not only yourself, but also think about everybody, just to visualize all of these kind of things. And then at the end, let your spiritual being dissolve into your mind. And then you look deeply into your nature, which is Buddha nature now you have. You recognize that there is a nature, sort of, what do you call it, this liminals, right, within your non-conceptual experience. You can look directly at that experience, and then it's, relax there as much as you can. I think you can do that. So this is combination, what do you call it? The Guru Yoga practice and uh, the take and give in practice, right? So kind of combination of this kind of practice. So you can do this two different practice, but you can make like, it's like one meditation. Do you understand? So that is what you do. If you want a little bit investigate about a situation, about this suffering, contaminated, you can. Otherwise, just try to search your Buddha nature. Try to discover it. And once you understand, then you just relax on there. And that point, there is no suffering, and then there is no happiness. It's just this peace. That's it. So you have to relax on that. Okay, a few minutes. Do you understand this instruction? Good. So you just relax. If you want to take a break, you can, and then after that, come back, your meditation.